Okay, so this is it. This is the basis of all of it. This is what we're talking about right here. So Dustin, in that last clip I just played, he said a 5-star general, right? So he was talking about the Demigorgon being a 5-star general in the Demigorgon and the Vecna dude being a 5-star general in the Mind Flare, right? So this is you as a human, Adam and Eve, right? The atoms in your body, and Eve is just your evolution into whatever this world is going to be, right? Your house has to be this way, where we're pulling with Lilith and Samuel. See, they're programming you to believe that these two are good and these two are evil. But remember, evil is just good. Evil means live, right? So Lilith, right, your sexual energy rising up is your spirit basically rising up, right? To to kill off this demiurge, Samuel, the poisoning of the gods, right? To kill off the human, right? You're shedding human.